Since we arrived in Skradin already hungry, we decided to have lunch right away. We chose the Cantinetta restaurant and ordered pasta with truffles and pasticada, a traditional Dalmatian dish. The pasta with truffles was excellent, while we liked the pasticada better last time at the restaurant Dalmatino. Skradin is my father's birthplace, so we like to visit it several times every summer. After lunch, we decided to walk around the town, climb up to the fortress and at the end refresh at the Krka river. This small Dalmatian town is the starting point for many tourists who come to see the Krka waterfalls, from where the boat departs that leaves you not far from the waterfalls. Most people stay for a very short time, just passing through. But this small town has a lot to offer. Many famous people who have stayed in this town more than once have convinced themselves of this. Michael Jordan, Bill Gates, Beyonce and Jay-Z, Roman Abramovich and many others. Skradin is a romantic Mediterranean town with narrow cobbled streets, passages and vaults. The entire city center is a protected cultural monument. It contains houses that mostly date from the 18th and 19th centuries and are plastered in a manner typical of Venice. One of the oldest Croatian cities, whose history dates back to the time of the Illyrians, it got its name when the area was ruled by the Romans. At that time, Skradin was a municipium, a port and stronghold for the Roman army and an extremely important trade center. After the city was destroyed and devastated during the migration of the people, the Croats rebuilt it and named it Skradin. Due to its favorable geostrategic position, fertile land and abundance of drinking water, throughout history, the city was destroyed by Avars, Turks and Venetians. Skradin's marina is an elegant refuge for lovers of yachts and sailing. Located on the banks of the Krka River, this modern marina offers outstanding services and comfort for yacht owners from all over the world. The marina is equipped with all the necessary facilities and superb moorings, ensuring the safety and security of the vessel. Here you will find different types of luxury yachts, from smaller and elegant to impressive super yachts. Beautiful swans are also regular visitors to this marina.